is going to play. It's an assumption here on my part, Albert. Ian kind of said the same thing. How are the Chiefs in that building, Albert, preparing for that Seattle run game, which scored 5 touchdowns on the ground last week?
Well, Andrew, it's interesting because Bob Sutton's group overall has been excellent. They ranked 6th in the NFL in total defense, but against the run, they've been really up and down. Part of that, of course, is losing 2 important people in the middle of that defense, and Mike DeVito and Derek Johnson earlier in the year. And it's predictable that their 2 worst days against the run were 2 losses. Against Tennessee Titans, they allowed 162 yards rushing on 38 carries. Against the Niners, they allowed 177 yards on 40 carries. In both of those games, the victors had over 36 minutes in time of possession. So obviously, priority number 1 here, stopping Marshawn Lynch or whoever's at tailback. The Seahawks have really done a good job of reestablishing that downhill running game. But that's not the only thing they've got to worry about. The other thing, of course, is Russell Wilson and his feet. They are concerned about Wilson as a runner. They want to try and pin him in the pocket, make him beat them from back there. And one thing that helped this week, they actually have a player who's somewhat similar to Wilson in style in Chase Daniel. You'll remember him playing at Missouri. He's the Chiefs' backup quarterback running the scout team this week. He's a shorter player who can also move.
And Russell Wilson, to your point, has 3 100-yard rushing games this year.